Hi everyone, good morning. I am Bipin Raj. My today's presentation is Perceptions Matter. It means strengthen democracy to silence critics. Even as government mounts a strong defense of India's democratic record, managing global perceptions is proving tough. One on one hand, centers push to operationalize the Quad is one of the most existing global engagements by India in recent times, as it helps India break out of its isolationist shell, which masqueraded as non-alignment. When confronted by an informer but powerful China, Pakistan, Zimbabwe, and India, Palestine are not going to be of much help to India. The India government undoubtedly deserves credit for the strategic clarity manifested in this intellectual breakthrough. But it's just as noticeable that Quad is shaping up into a fight by countries with shared democratic values. And any democratic backsliding in India should be perceived to be at odds with the new orders. Signs of this emerging realpolitik are evident in concern flagged by influential US Senate Foreign Affairs Committees. Chairman Bob Menendez, just days after democracy watchdogs, Freedom House and Sweden's V. Dam Institute downstarted India, even while backing growing US-India strategic ties. Menendez has asked the Biden administration to raise various human rights concerns, jailing of dissidents and passages of discriminatory laws. The strategic rivalry between the West and China is foregrounding. China's scant respect for territorial sovereignty and individual autonomy. China's dangerous gaming of trade, technology, internet, intellectual property, and totalitarian surveillance states are being posited as a threat to all democratic nations. India battering undemocratic tendencies through not a deal breaker will naturally be disconcerting to the new partnership laws like CAA. I am repeat again, laws like CAA and criminalization of interfaith marriages, widespread use of Sedium's law, targeting of Bollywood, creating hurt sentiments and curtailment of academic freedom harm India's soft power, which cannot be separated from its hard power rather than bristle at the criticism or withdraw again into a isolationist cell. NDA government must show greater confidence over free speech and democratic right than its predecessors by repealing sedition, blasphemy, and restrictive marriage laws. Thank you.